Welcome to this video on removing a printer from your NBCC staff laptop at the New Brunswick Community College. And so if you'd like to remove a printer, all you have to do is in the lower left-hand corner of your computer, in the little search box right here, you're just going to type in the word printer, and then you'll see the printer and scanners item come up here. So I'm just going to select that, and then it's going to open the printers and scanners that I'm connected to. So if, for example, I would like to remove this printer here from my list, all I have to do is click on it and then simply choose Remove Device. And so once I do that, it successfully removes the printer from my list of printers. So this concludes the tutorial on removing a printer from your NBCC laptop at the New Brunswick Community College.